As has been made apparent with the COVID-19 pandemic, bacteria and viruses can spread much faster than many people had considered. For the sake of public health, it would prove wise to have tools and strategies in place for widespread sanitation before an international health crisis occurs. Currently, individuals are tasked with washing hands, wearing masks, staying at home, and disinfecting their own items and property. UVC light can reduce the amount of bacteria and viruses on surfaces and in the air. Business owners, hospitals, and public transportation have turned to UVC light devices for quick and efficient disinfection. Current use of UVC light devices focuses mainly on surfaces, objects, and air systems, and devices that do focus on body disinfection do not provide full coverage. The design solution should be created by collaborative design and technology teams dedicated to disease outbreak prevention. These teams would study the main issues behind outbreaks, redesign the current flow of public spaces, and create new technology that tackles disease spread. Technology formed by such teams could include a disinfection ring using far UVC light. The UVC light ring is a solid ring approximately 3 feet in diameter. It is placed at entrances and exits of enclosed public spaces with markings on the floor to indicate where a person should stand while being disinfected. The light ring disinfects by traveling up and down the body while emitting UVC light to eliminate bacterial and viral elements. UVC light can be harmful to the skin and the eyes, but far UVC is a safer wavelength that does not damage living cells. Hospitals use UVC light to disinfect equipment. Airlines use it on airplanes, and many other facilities use UVC light in their air systems. Some businesses have already implemented far UVC portals for patrons to walk through. These portals are a step in the right direction, but they do not provide full coverage to the human body, and the size and shape is a possible safety hazard. The ring stays nested in the ceiling when not in use, so it is out of the way in case of emergency. The ring shape also provides better body coverage with its 360-degree design. The UVC light ring would be used by anyone attempting to enter a public space, and individuals would likely encounter the ring multiple times throughout their day. Public spaces that would implement the UVC light ring are hospitals, doctors' offices, grocery stores, banks, train stations, restaurants, airports, stadiums, theaters, and schools. People would leave their homes in the morning with peace of mind that they likely will not become infected during the day. Individuals would be disinfected after grabbing breakfast, before a large college lecture, and after a dinner out at a restaurant. People would be free to use public transportation that is sanitary and safe for their daily commutes. They could return home without worry of catching a disease from their daily activities. The design teams responsible for these solutions today would be comprised of medical professionals, disease control experts, engineers, and designers. Medical professionals are essential to understanding the health effects of viruses, while disease control experts can provide insight into the spread. Engineers would fine-tune the technology, and designers would create the devices and layouts. Ultimately, the designs of the future would be optimal if all members of the disease outbreak prevention teams worked together in the design process. Ideas could be refined throughout the process and produce a better result than if a single idea were simply handed from one expert to another. Regardless of the final form and design of a widely accessible UVC disinfection device, collaborative efforts made by a variety of experts will be essential to creating the necessary technology and strategies to protect the future health of the public.